How's everybody doing? Got another edition of Puppy Pot and Chill. Got Munch here. Just cleaning his eyes really quick, making them pretty for you guys. I mean, look at him. Look at him. Look at the pretty Munch. Look at the pretty Munch. Hey, relax. Lay down. Lay down. Are you going to get up or are you going to lay down? What's it going to be? He wants a treat. Oh, I started doing this with him, and I guess we're going to have to keep it up. I hope everybody's having a good night, by the way. Okay. We're going to do a munch trick. Let me get this turned around. We get one of Munchie's favorite snacks here. All right, come here, sit down, sit up. I'm going to position the camera to give you the best look here. Sit up. Don't move. Stay there. Stay sitting up. Now, as you all can see, he's going to sit there. He's watching me. He's waiting for me to give him the command. And he will sit there until I give it. He is drooling like a mother. I don't know if you can see it, but it is dripping down all over him. All right. Good boy. All right. There we go. Puppy tricks. And I did this late at night, so there's not going to be a lot of people watching this live, which is fine. I do this, for me and for you guys. I love you guys too, but I do this for me. Come on up, dum-dum. I'm never going to get around to doing what I want to do. All right, come on up here. Come on, get up. Come on. All right. Enough puppy tricks. Let's take a hit. I hope everybody's having a good day. Let's get down to business, shall we? Let's do some news. Let me see here. Bank robber wearing a Day of the Dead mask may be charged with cultural appropriation. Yeah, fuck the fact that he robbed a bank for the money. Charge him for wearing a mask from another culture. Charge him with cultural appropriation. Jesus Christ, what the fuck? Evidence that Omar married her brother emerges. She panics and deletes the evidence and issues a really bizarre statement. However, it's too late. Unfortunately for her, the interweb is forever. Once you put something up, it's there forever. Somebody takes a screenshot, saves it, whatever. The internet is forever. And look at this dog. What a goofball. All right. So anyway, there's proof that she married her brother. She keeps denying it, and she says that this is a conspiracy theory And the only conspiracy theory I see is the one of her hiding the fact that she married her fucking brother to skirt the immigration laws and get him into the country faster because she's special. A Canadian leftist is triggered by Chick-fil-A. Yep, no shit. And they must fight back against them. This moron believes that Chick-fil-A is holding them down because they're Christian. And by them, I mean the LGBT alphabet people. If Chick-fil-A, if this is the shit that triggers snowflakes and other like him, we're fucked, literally. I mean, the sad part is that these people are growing in number, and it's so sad. I mean, these are the same people that need a safe space when somebody calls them a name. I mean, Jesus Christ, we really, yeah, let's boycott a place that serves delicious chicken because they're Christian. What the fuck ever. Let's take a hit. Like I said, I hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everything went your way. Trump Jr. blasts the New York Times after more bigoted tweets are revealed. The New York Times has made it like a game to them of digging up people's tweets from decades ago and then dragging them through the muck. But when somebody does it to them, they lose their fucking minds and scream it's unfair. Well, some more racist tweets were found by somebody who works at the New York Times. Go figure. And it's funny, for the most part, the New York Times exposed themselves as partisan racist hacks, and reporters are deleting tweets as fast as possible. But once again, the internet's forever, baby. You put something on the internet, it's there for life. All right, somebody somewhere saved it. It's there forever. Last month it was Tom Wright. I'm gonna fuck up the last name. Tom Wright Persante with multiple anti-Semitic tweets, and now it's Gina Shirless with homophobic and racial slurs. And New York Times, to prove how crazy this is, the New York Times is blaming the conservatives for digging up the truth and pointing it out. They're saying it's the conservatives' fault for finding the racist tweets. I don't get how that works, but whatever. The New York Times going down in flames. Dems keep going crazy trying to out crazy the next person. Eventually, it'll lead to their ultimate destruction. If it continues the way it's going, the left will be crippled for years. Hey, Lisa, how you doing, sweetie? Yeah, if it continues the way it's going, the Democratic Party is going to be fucked for years and years and years. AOC is leading the charge of ignorance with blind, unwavering ignorance. I call her and the three others the squad, as everybody knows them. I prefer to call them the four horsemen of the apocalypse, are fracturing the party. And as you know, once you break something up, it falls apart. Well, that's what's happening to the Democratic Party. They're fracturing, they're falling apart. If they keep it up, the Democratic Party is going to be crippled for years. Let's take a hit. Lisa, get your green tobacco and take a puff with me. And I'm sorry, Lisa, you missed a Munchie trick. He did a trick for everybody earlier. You want to see another trick? Yeah, Munch is right here. Do you want to see him do a trick? I can take a break in the news to do another trick. Munch will appreciate doing another trick. That means he gets more treats. This time it's going to be bacon strips. I don't actually recommend eating them. They do not taste as good as they smell. They smell delicious, but I've tried them. They're not that good. All right, so let's get a good position on Munchie again. Sit up. Stay sitting up. All right, don't move. Stay there. Okay, good boy. Ta-da! Munch tricks. And now that he's done, I'm sure he'll jump back up on the bed and finish suckling on his suckle rag. A huge shipment. Let's get back to the news, shall we? A huge shipment intercepted. One of the most disturbing things to ever come out of China. I shit you not. We've heard of some fucked up shit coming out of China, right? Let's take a hit. I don't even know how to start this. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. One of the most, okay. A huge shipment of pills was intercepted coming out of China. The pills contained aborted human fetus babies, is what the pills contained. Okay, I assume this is similar to like when they take rhino horn pills or tiger penis pills. It's to gather the essence of, and apparently, I suppose they would be getting the essence of the human. And anyway, and this is one of those things that I saw and I was like, fuck me. Do I really want to report on it? Do I really want to talk about it? No, I don't really want to talk about it, but I think it's important enough to talk about. Somewhere there's a demand for aborted human baby fetus pills. Oh God, that's fucked up. Anyway, it's just one of the more disturbing things to come out of China recently. Anyway, moving on. Jesus, let's take another hit. Fuck me. We are so fucked. Oh Jesus. The next story is just as bad. The BBC, the British Broadcast Corporation, came out with a informative series that targets young viewers between the ages of 5 and 10, prepubescent. And it's teaching them that there are over 100 genders. Fuck me. It's all propaganda. None of it's based on science. It's like they said, fuck it. We're going to throw science out the window. Fuck facts. Facts are stupid. Let's just go with what we think is and feel is right, because fuck facts. Who needs facts when we got feelings? Florida man. Florida man and woman drunk bicycling. All right. Drunk bicycling. They run into somebody, they get reported, they get arrested. They get arrested for public intoxication. Now, that right there, all in itself, is a story. Florida man, drunk bicycling, gets arrested, and his woman. But that's not it. There's more. When they got put in the back of the car, the couple got naked and they got down. You go, Florida. I bet you that patrol car smells awesome. Ugh. Justin Trudeau, from Canada, has a third picture surface of him in blackface. Third time. Not the first, not the second, not the third. And you know what's crazy? I didn't even hear the first two. It's like the first two were mulligans, like, but the third time they're like, all right, dude, what's up? Third time. Yeah. He's calling it brown face, but I looked at the pictures and that's blackface, baby. Wow. It's like, it's okay because he's on the left. So it's okay somehow. He's getting another pass. Not a big deal's being made about it. Don Lemon, he literally gave him a pass because he apologized. He came out and said, wow, it's so great that he apologized. You never have that happen. And now that he apologized, everything's okay. It's okay now. Yeah, he did it. He apologized that he did it, so it's okay. How the fuck, if somebody from the right had done that, he would have been like a pit bull that hadn't been fed for a month. He would have bit down and never let go. It wouldn't have, he couldn't have said sorry enough. But no, because Trudeau is from the left and he said sorry. According to Don Lemon and CNN, all's forgiven. It's all good. Yeah. But if you're from the right, man, no mercy. An apology is just not good enough. They should be destroyed, their jobs taken away, their love life destroyed, their social life torn apart, and just have their life ruined. Unless you're from the left, then you just say you're sorry and it's okay. Cheerleaders put on probation. Why? Because they supported Trump. Why would they be put on probation for supporting their president? I don't get this. Why is this a problem? The problem is not that they supported Trump, it's because of the Trump problem, the never Trumpers, that it's a real problem. Yeah. Trump syndrome. Virtue signaling keeps getting more and more and more insane. What am I talking about? Well, now if you are a white male and you are not sorry for your privilege and being white, you're a piece of shit. To be white and virtuous today means that as a white male, I must be disgusted with myself. Otherwise, I'm an overprivileged white male piece of shit. And I have to scream it on Facebook for everybody to hear. Otherwise, I'm just not virtuous. I might as well be a Nazi if I'm not disgusted with myself. And as a white female, you must be disgusted with yourself also. Your privilege is disgusting. You should be ashamed. Jesus Christ, we're fucked. Some politicians want to take your guns. Lots talk about how laws need to be passed. Assault-style weapons need to be banned. Beto wants to send a Gestapo type of law enforcement door to door to remove AR-15 style assault weapons and get them out of the hands of legal owners. Wait, what? Wait, this can't be right. And then pass more laws to further restrict legal gun owners. What the hell? Here's the deal. He wants to take your guns away. If he gets his way, he will send police around to take away these assault weapons. What's to stop him from coming and getting the rest of the guns? Now, if you want to take the guns away from people first, I suggest you come up with a proven plan that shows me that you can get the guns out of the hands of criminals. If you can do that, then maybe we'll talk about the rest. I hear lots and talk about how we're going to take the guns away from legal gun owners and legal people. But I don't hear any talk about how we're going to get them out of the hands of criminals. That's the really tricky part. They don't know how to get them out of the hands of criminals. You can't get them out of the hands of criminals. That's a sneaky little secret they don't want to tell anybody. They just want to take your guns, your legal guns, from a legal gun owner, not the criminals. Society's going crazy. We are in a social war. Make no mistakes. If we had to go to a real war, kids today, they're so soft. They have to hide in a group wearing skinny jeans and black coverings so they all match so they can't get identified. They have to stand in a group or they won't. They're too soft. They can't fight one-on-one. If they actually had to fight one-on-one, they'd be fucked. They need safe spaces when somebody calls them a name, all right? We need to put some liquids in us. And I hope everybody's having a great night. I know this is a long feed, but I haven't been on in a few days and I'm in a lot of pain. I got some painkillers, so I decided since I felt good, I was going to try to throw it all in together. Better living through chemical science. Anyway, the mustache is looking good, nice and thick. Let me see here. Yes, look at that bad boy. Anyway, things are getting weird. They're going to get weirder. All right. I'm going to keep doing my thing, but do not listen to me. Don't listen to anything I say. I'm a stoner. Don't believe me. Look things up for yourself. Find out what the truth is for yourself. Be smart. I know, remember, you got to be 21 in the state where it's legal to smoke marijuana. If you're not 21 in the state where it's legal, just don't do it. I am so high, guys. High as the International Space Station. High as giraffe pussy. All right, look, I hope everybody had a good day. I hope you got the winning lottery ticket. Hope the cop let you go. Hope you got a raise. I just hope life treats you good. You guys deserve it. Let's all try to be better humans. Can't love everybody, so let's try not to hate. Oh, that was a good hit. And me and Munch, we love you. Peace. Stay high, bitches.